guys, so here we are again. I just want to show us how to create a stockbroking account with CitiTrader, right? So earlier I've shown you how to create a Bamboo or a Trove account, right, using your mobile device, right? So the idea of that is for busy professionals who maybe do not have the time to open their laptop to check, you know, and all that. So with your phone, you could easily download the app and then trade stocks right from the comfort of your phone, right? So why I want to show us this is another trading platform that is available via the web, right? Uh, Atlas Portfolios are the brokers here, and then CitiTrader is one of the products they offer, right? So this platform allows you to, trade from the comfort of your laptop. You get to see more wider information, as we will see, while I show us how this works, right? So on your web browser, you just need to type in atlasportfolios.com, right? So once you are on this page that we can see here, right? So once you're on this page, just trying to refresh, right? You see where it says open a CitiTrader account, right? Individual account, right? It opens up for you. Individual account. You should look at the details here. Provide every details as much as you can, right? So if you have a CHN, like you remember, CHN stands for house. What's that CHN again? Sorry. Clearinghouse number, right? You remember I mentioned it earlier. So if you have that, you can easily set that up, put that in here. If you don't have it, that's fine. It will do that automatically for you, right? So you set that up, just put in every information details here, and then you click on submit, right? Submit that. That would, submit it to your. So once you submit, this goes through a verification process, and it will take a while, right? Yeah, it will take. I think mine took either 3 to 4 days, before they got back to me with my login credentials, right? So that would take a while. So once your account is created, you would now be able to sign in here, right? So they'll give you a login ID, right? And then a temporary password, which you get to set yourself. So let me sign into my account real quick. Let me sign into my account. Click on OK. Right. So now, so once your account is created, you can then sign into this particular portal, right? So the beauty about this portal, it gives you a whole lot of so seeing that it's accessed via the web, you have a whole lot of dashboards here that you can play with, right? So from here, you can look at the market view currently. You can see, uh, these are stocks. These are all boards. So you can go on equity, see list of companies here. This is their current reference price, last price. It has a whole lot of information here, and then you can see trades that are ongoing at the moment. You can see the stocks that are being bought at the moment. And all that. So you can see real-time information. Once the stock market opens. Remember, stock market opens 10 a.m. Right? So you can see real-time information. Stocks that are doing badly, the ones that are doing well, the ones on green, red, bad, no sign, just steady ones, right? So you can look at this information from here, right? From this dashboard also, you can look at maybe statistics. You can look at the top gainers, the top losers, depending on the market you choose. Let's say I'm on the equity market. I want to see the top gainers. So Stanbic IBTC, Chelram, you can see that. Living Trust, these are the top gainers, top losers. Corn Oil, Geregu, Power. So you can see most traded stocks, GTCO. Yeah, it's usually quite strange that it's only our banking sectors. Well, most of the banking sectors are actually doing fine, right? So yeah, so you can actually look at a whole lot of information here. You can check news items, you know, maybe based on a particular, let's say, Presco. I want to see news items regarding Presco. You know, this will get to load. Right, so you can check out refresh Presco June. Like I see information around a particular stock that you want to buy. Right from here, you can just review some stocks and all. Right, uh, my execution certificate portfolio. Right, so this just on this you can generate reports depending on what you want to do. Right, so but just for the purpose of this particular learning, we want to show you how to buy and trade stocks. Right, so first things first, this is my dashboard. Right, I currently have funded 15,000 naira here. Let me see if I can remember how I actually funded this. So I go to portfolio. Right, okay, yes. So when your account gets created, right, let me let me okay, so when your account gets created with CitiTrader, they send you an email with an account information that you need to fund each time you want to trade. Right, so you just need to bookmark that and save it somewhere. Right, so once you have that saved up, you can then proceed with trading and stocks and all. Right, so you get an email with the information of their bank account specially made for your account for you to be funding each time you want to make a trade. Right, so to buy stocks, you just click on buy orders here, and then you come to this page, you click on buy. Right, so you need to select the session is the Atlas NGX. Right, so the market segment you want to buy, what are you buying for? Right, so I'm buying equity. Right, and what stock am I getting? Hold on, I think it's frozen. Yeah, so what stock am I think I want to get Okomu oil. Right, it's currently traded at 650. Right, so it's currently traded at 650. Let me get FCMB instead. It's currently traded at 10 naira. Right, where I can get maybe 1,000 shares. That's 10,000. Right, so limit, so you can, like, remember market, you specify the price, market value, depending on what the market is at the time. Limit, this is what I want to buy. Right, and all that. So once you've set this particular metrics here, you just click on submit. Are you sure you want to submit? Just gives you like a confirmation and say yes. Right, once you've done that and close, right, so you can see your trade here. This is your buy order. Right, it's still being processed, so you still have the opportunity to cancel and all that. Right, so let's refresh, see if, right, so this stays here. If it gets closed, it shows you if it's successful, or if it doesn't, you would also be notified. Right, so with this particular platform, you can actually check market. You can do some quick analysis and all that. Right, you can also create your watch list, put in stocks that you want to keep an eye on. Right, where's that watch list? Manage watch list. Right, so you can add all board equity. You can Okomu oil. Right, you can add this to your watch list. You want to be, you want to keep an eye on them. Get a good power. You want to keep an eye on them. FCMB. You want to keep an eye on them. I think I got some Jai's Bank shares. I want to keep an eye also. Right, so you just have your watch list where you keep track of, uh, stocks that you find interesting. Right. Uh, the other thing you can do, how to know stocks. Okay, I think I'll do during our Q&A session. I'll share information on how to know which stocks to actually buy. Right? How to know which stocks to buy, how to determine, how to set your trading targets, and all that. So in subsequent class, we'll get to look at that. But either way, thanks for dropping by. Cheers.